Today, we're exploring a fascinating scientific question. What is the connection between diamonds and meteorites? At first glance, diamonds and meteorites may seem unrelated. Diamonds are known as precious gemstones formed deep within the Earth, while meteorites are rocks that travel through space and land on our planet. However, modern geological research has revealed surprising links between the two. Let's begin with natural diamonds formed on Earth. Most gem-quality diamonds form about 140 to 200 kilometers beneath the Earth's surface, inside the mantle. They develop under extreme pressure and temperature conditions over billions of years. Later, powerful volcanic eruptions, especially kimberlite eruptions, carry them closer to the surface. Now, here's where meteorites enter the story. Scientists have discovered microscopic diamonds inside certain meteorites. These are called nanodiamonds. They are incredibly small, thousands of times smaller than a grain of sand. Studies show that some of these nanodiamonds formed in space, even before our solar system fully developed. That means some diamonds found in meteorites are older than Earth itself. In addition, there is another important connection: impact diamonds. When a large meteorite strikes Earth, the collision generates extreme pressure and heat for a brief moment. These conditions can transform carbon-rich rocks at the impact site into tiny diamonds. This process has been confirmed at several known impact craters around the world. One example is the Popigai crater in Siberia, where scientists found large quantities of impact diamonds formed by a meteorite collision around 35 million years ago. There is also an unusual type of black diamond known as Carbonado. Some researchers have suggested that Carbonado may be linked to ancient meteorite impacts or even extraterrestrial origins. While this theory is still debated, Carbonado does contain unusual mineral inclusions that have sparked scientific discussion about its formation. So what is the true relationship between diamonds and meteorites? Diamonds can form deep within Earth. Diamonds can form during meteorite impacts. And tiny diamonds can even originate in space and travel to Earth inside meteorites.